The Sausage Plunger pushes the caulk through your sausage-style caulk gun. The plunger is attached to the plunger rod and fits tightly inside the barrel. Over time, the plunger will wear down from rubbing against the barrel. Replacing the sausage plunger is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cartridge from the caulk gun. I'll unscrew the cartridge from the mounting cap. Then pull the cartridge away from the plunger. Now I can remove the plunger from the rod. Now I can install the new plunger. I'll place the back of the plunger onto the rod and secure it with the screw. Then I'll finish by installing the barrel back onto the gun. And that's how easy it is to install a new plunger in your caulk gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.